tell you what is flora and what is fauna. So very simple. All the plants, all the leaves, all the flowers, everything that is plant is called flora. Okay? And everything that relates with animals, anything around you, could be the wild animals, could be your pet animals, everything else is called fauna. Now, why do we call them flora and fauna? Why is plant kingdom called flora and why is animal kingdom called fauna? So for example, if I have to particularly ask you, where do you stay? So you would tell me, right? I stay in Bangalore, or I stay in Hyderabad, or I stay in XYZ place. Similarly, when I have to know where this particular plant is from, I address it as, where is this flora from, right? So anything which is in a particular region, anything that grows in a particular region, naturally, you're not forcing it to grow there, okay? Naturally, when it grows there, it becomes flora. And any animal which naturally resides in a particular place becomes the fauna of that place. So as I explained to you, if for example, Drishan stays in some place, right? So if I have to say, where does Drishan stay? He would tell me he stays in Bangalore. So similarly, if I have to know where is this, where is, what do you say, neem tree located? So I would say, where is this particular flora from? So it is an Indian flora. So neem trees are present only in India. So it is the Indian flora. So any plant which naturally grows in a region is called the flora of that region. It could be a grassland or a forest or a flowering plant or a non-flowering plant or any tree. That is called the flora, okay? And coming on to the next one, any animal which resides in a particular place, is called the fauna of that place. So for example, in India, we have the Bengal tigers, which are only for India, right? Which reside only in India. So anything which is natural to a particular place is called the fauna of that place, okay? So now you will have to tell me, what is flora? Can you just type it out on the chat box? What is flora? And then I'm going to move on to the next thing, which is a game. So tell me, what is flora? Type it out. Okay. Okay, why don't you just type it out for me? What is flora? Yes. So all the flowers are called flora, and all the animals in a particular place is called fauna. Now let's play a game. You have to tell me what are these, okay? This is number 1. This is number 2, and this is number 3. So when you're typing it out, yes, that's correct. So when you're typing it out, you have to tell me what is number 1, what is number 2, and what is number 3. Come on. One is tiger. Richa says it's tiger. What is number 2? Any other guesses? Nobody else wants to participate in this game? Come on, tell me what is number 1. Rishika says it's tiger. Yes. Who else thinks what else it is? It is a tiger, but what sort of a tiger is it? I'm giving you a hint here. You have a hint. What sort of a tiger is that? That's correct, Richa. It's Bengal tiger. That's Bengal tiger. Very good. Now, what is the second one here? What is this? Somebody tell me what is that? No, nobody knows. What is it? So today you're going to learn and go, okay? So you're going to learn this today. It is a sloth bear. It is a sloth bear, okay? And what is this third one here? Any idea what is it? I did get some answers from people. Risha, Sati, Rishika told it's a bear. That's a panther, correct, Ala? So what panther is it? Yes, I'm getting more. That's right. It's a black panther. So that's correct. So the first one is Bengal tiger. The second one is a sloth bear. And the third one is black panther. So do you guys know about Bengal tiger? Does anybody know about Bengal tigers? Can anyone tell me why are these animals famous? Why are Bengal tiger famous? Why do we often speak about these animals? Okay, we speak about Bengal tigers because right now they are extinct. There are very less Bengal tigers in India. There are just about 2,000 Bengal tigers currently. And if the species end, then we will never see a Bengal tiger. So the next generation will never even get a chance to look at these animals. So we have to protect them. We have to safeguard them, okay? That's why Bengal tigers are famous, because there are very less. They are very, very, very less in India. Now, moving on to the next thing. Oh, I give you the answer. Okay, guess the following. Which number 1, number 2, and number 3? Come on, tell me. Okay, the first one is rose. Yeah, that was easy. That everyone knew. Correct. What is the second one? No, nope, it's not. It's not a jasmine. It's not a sunflower. Our third one is hibiscus. That's right. What is the second one? No, it's not lily. Yeah, that is hibiscus. We know the third one is hibiscus. What is the second one? Come on. Okay, so no, Chavi. Second one is not hibiscus. Yes, Richa, it is daisy. That's right. So the first one is rose. Now all of us know rose. Roses come in so many different colors. White, red, pink. I even saw a blue colored rose a few days back. Have you ever seen a blue colored rose? Has anyone seen a blue colored rose? No? Okay, I saw a blue colored rose. It was pretty. Alham has seen a blue colored rose. Oh, great. That's nice. Isn't it pretty, Alham? Yay. So blue color roses. So we have different colors of roses, and how do they get that particular color? Because either they've sprayed those colors on that, okay? From the vendor who we bring these roses from, they spray colors on the roses. On a white color rose, they just spray paint. Just like you paint your, you just had a watercolor painting class right now. The similar way they spray colors on these, flowers. That's why they change their color. Did you know this interesting fact? So if you want to change any of the color of your flowers, you can definitely spray them with those, paints, the chemical paints that you get. So the color of the flower would definitely change. Next up, we have another interesting game. Now this game is about fauna. Now somebody tell me, what is fauna? In the beginning, you told me what is flora. So come on, tell me what is fauna. Right, animals. Aqua. No, it's not aqua. It's everything. It's the whole animal kingdom. That's right, animals. Okay, now answer these questions. What do you call a group of lions? That's right, animals. I'm getting few answers. Yay. Yes. Yes, the answer is pride. A group of lions are called a pride of lions. A pride of lions. Option number B here. It's called a pride. Ronak, I hope you're making your notes. It's called a pride of lions. Moving on. What is this? What do you call a group of fishes? Ronak says lion. No, Ronak, it is a pride of lions. It's not just a lion. Ah, that's great. A lot of you know this. We call it school of fishes. How interesting is that? Okay, next one. Can somebody tell me this? Whoa. I'm getting few answers. I want more of you to participate. That's right, it's a caravan of camels. That's option number C. I hope you guys are making your notes because I'm going to ask you at the end of the game. I'm going to be asking you more questions. It's called a caravan of camels. So when you go to the desert next time, when you go to Rajasthan and you go to Thar Desert and you see a group of camels, what are you going to call them? A caravan of camels. Okay? A caravan of camels, which is option number C, right here. Correct. Let's move on. Now come on, tell me this one. Getting some answers here. Yes. All right, that's right. It's called a parliament of owls. Now, that's amazing, right? What otherwise is a parliament? If not a group of owls, then what else can parliament mean? What else does a parliament mean? Ministers. Not really ministers. What more? What more makes a parliament? Okay, I'm going to reserve that for later. You have to tell me later, okay? What else does parliament mean? But yes, this is right. A group of owls is called a parliament of owls. I hope all of you are making a note of this. Okay, now come on, quick, tell me what is this? What do you call a group of bats? What do you call a group of bats? I don't want anyone to Google and tell me this. Come on. I'm getting few answers here. Yes, it's the option number B. It's called the cauldron of bats. The option number B here, a group of bats called a cauldron of bats. Okay, and I see Ahlam here knows a lot. So we have a genius in the class. Great. So we're gonna quickly revise everything, okay? From the top, what do you call a group of lions? Pride of lions. Pride of lions. What do you call a group of fishes? School of fishes. That's right. What do you call a group of camels? Caravan of camels. That's right. Number C, caravan of camels. What do you call a group of owls? What do you call a group of owls? Come on, come on. We just learned. That's right, that's right. Parliament of owls. You guys are quick learners. Great, we are doing great. So the last one here. What do you call a group of bats? That's right, that's right. No, Deep, no, it's not option A, it's option B. It's called a cauldron of bats. I want you all to make a note of it and go to your parents today and tell them that, you know, this is what you've learned. Okay, moving on. It's called a cauldron of bats. So now we learned so much about fauna. So it would be unfair if we don't learn something about flora. So I have a few quick questions for you right now on flora. Okay, guess the tree. Which tree is this? I'm getting some answers here. Yes, I'm getting some answers. That's right. It is neem tree. It is neem tree. A neem tree. If you ever see the leaves like this, it's a neem tree. Okay? That's great. Now tell me this one. Which plant grows in the desert and needs less water? Yay, I'm already getting the answers. I have all the geniuses are in my class. Come on, everyone knows the answer to this one. Yay, it's cactus. It's cactus. You know, interestingly, I want to tell you something. Why do you think cactus looks like this? What do you think is this? It is, yeah, it's the stem. Correct. And that's something on the cactus which pricks you. What are those? There is something on the cactus which pricks you. If you touch the cactus, it pricks you. What is that? Spikes. Yes. Yes, those are the leaves. Those are the leaves of cactus. That's right, Richard. That's right. Those are the leaves. The small little leaves, which which looks like thorns, but they're actually the leaves of the cactus. That's why they hurt us. The leaves hurt us. Okay, and I want to ask you one question. There is one plant. If you touch the leaf of that plant, it closes. As soon as you touch, it closes. Which is that plant? Which is that plant? Yay! Touch me not. Yay. That's a fun thing. Okay. So moving on to the next one. I'm sure all the geniuses that I have in my class would answer this as well. What provides the green color to the leaves? Is it chlorophyll? Is it biofuel? Is it photosynthesis? Or D, the roots of the plants? Yeah. Yes, that's correct. It's chlorophyll. You know what is a chlorophyll actually? It's a pigment. It's a color pigment. So in human bodies, also we have a color pigment. Why do you think some of you are one color and another one of you are another color? All of us are different colors, right? It's because we do have pigment in our body and it's called melanin. So melanin gives color to human body. Similarly, chlorophyll gives color to the leaves. All right. Come on, now tell me, what is this? Which part of the plant makes food for it? Which part of the plant makes food? Yes, I have all the geniuses in my class. Leaves, that's right. They are the leaves. Leaves make food for the plants. That's correct. Okay, now tell me this one. Which of these is called the shoe flower? No. Now. So shall I give you the answer? No, you guys would now just exhaust me with all the answers. Then how do I give you? So you're going to write all the options there and I have to pick one. Now, so shall I tell you the answer? It's hibiscus. Hibiscus is called the shoe flower. Yes, that's right, Siddhi. I saw your expressions as well. That's correct. So, hibiscus is the shoe flower. Oh, so somebody is asking me why is it called shoe flower? So, does Siddhi want to answer that? Because you answered it. Yes, Siddhi? Okay, so I'm going to answer that. It's called the shoe flower because it is used in polishing shoes. Yes. So hibiscus is used in polishing shoes. So it is also called the shoe flower of Asia. So the next time somebody asks you what is the shoe flower of Asia or what is a shoe flower, you're going to say it is hibiscus. So I have an activity for you. Quickly, make a list of plants and animals you see around you. Just put that on the chat box. Wow, you see a lizard. Wow, I have a lizard on my slide as well. What else do you see? What plants? What plants do you see around you, or trees you see around you, or animals that you see around you? Money plant, tulip. Wow. What else do you see? Just name all the flora and fauna you see around you. Wow, you have an Ashoka tree. You have a dog, a cat. Come on, come on. A palm tree, wow. Coriander, wow, I like that. I see Siddhi going out and looking out. What else she can see in the nature? Very good. Money plant. Aloe vera. And that's great. Great observation, kids. More. I like that observation. What is all plants, Ronak? What do you mean by all plants? What plants do you see around you? Okay, I'll tell you what I see around me, okay? I see a lizard, and then I see a spider. Then I also see a rose plant. I also see a hibiscus plant. Oh, Alam sees an onion plant, a money plant. Great. So, what I wanted to teach you with this activity is often we do not see what is around us. Wow, there's so much that Chavi has. Marigold, tulsi, curry patta. Okay, those are curry leaves. Jasmine, bamboo, money plant, mosquito, lizard, and coconut neem. That's great. That's great. So often we do not see what is around us. We never ever observe the nature, right? And because of it, what really happens is, because we do not observe nature, what really happens is we do not try to make it a part of our family. So from now on, you have to make nature as a part of our family.